Welcome back, guys. In this issue we will have dividing polynomials. In dividing polynomials we will learn how to divide a polynomial by a monomial, and the next topic will be dividing two polynomials. How do we divide two polynomials? So, dividing a polynomial by a monomial. To divide a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by that monomial, as you studied before in multiplication of polynomials. The same for dividing, you will divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial which is given. For example, here, look at here, we have 15x to the power of 3 plus 20x squared minus 10x, and this polynomial is divided by 5x. You can write it as 5x to the power of 3 plus 20x squared minus 10x over what? Over 5x. This operation and this operation are the same thing. There is no difference between them. You can write it as this like fraction. You cannot write it as the symbol of division here. So to divide a polynomial by a monomial, it is a polynomial because we have three terms here, and this is a monomial because in here we have one term. There is no plus minus sign here. So to divide a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Each term of the polynomial will be divided by this monomial which is here, and also minus 10x will be also divided by 5x. You can write it as 15x to the power of 3 divided by 5x plus 20x squared divided by 5x and minus 10x over or divided by 5x. Now to divide or to simplify this, we will simplify the coefficients first. 1 5 5 and 3 5 is 15. In here we have x to the power of 3, here we have x to the power of 1. So 3 minus 1 will be what? 3 minus 1 will be 2. Of course, you subtract the powers as a property of powers you studied before. But also you can write it as this: x to the power of 3 over x to the power of 2 will be like this: x times x times x. We have 3 x's here. Here we have 2 x's. So if you divide this x by this x and this x by this x, you will have 1 x here. Or shortly you can subtract the powers. So in here we will have 3x to the power of 1, of course, 3x to the power of 1. For this one, 1 times 5 is 5 and 4 times 5 is 20. So you can write 4 x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1. 1 of x, this will be simplified with 1 of this x, and we will have 1x here. And after that, in here we have minus sign. 1 5, 2 5 is 10, write 2 here, and x will be simplified, or 1 minus 1 will be 0. We will have no x's here. So the answer is 3. So in here we have a mistake. 3 minus 1 will be what? Plus 2. Here we have 1 of x here. So in here we will have x to the power of 2. So x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 1 will be x to the power of 2. Here we have 2. Here we have x to the power of 1. Here we have minus 2. So the answer for dividing this polynomial will be like this. Let us solve another example. Okay. For example, if we have 15 a to the power of 3 b to the power of 4 plus 25 a squared b to the power of 5, and this all divided by, for example, 5a and b squared. What will be the answer for this polynomial, for this division? So, as you learned before, divide each term of the first polynomial by the monomial, which is in the denominator. So this will be 15 a to the power of 3 b to the power of 4 over 5ab squared and plus 25a squared b to the power of 5 over 5a b squared. As a result, we will have 1 5 10 5 will be 50 1 10. So right here 10 a cubed and a to the power of 1 will be a to the power of 2, b to the power of 4 and b to the power of 2 will be b to the power of 2 plus 1 5 5 times 5 25. So it will be 5 a to the power of 2, a to the power of 1 will be a to the power of 1, b to the power of 5, b to the power of 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, so b to the power of 3 is the answer for this polynomial. So these were two examples for dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So how do we divide two polynomials? We will watch it or we will listen it in the next video. So thank you for watching. For any questions, you can write in comments.